Being a Sentosa service champion is being a role model, giving an excellent service to the guests, and at the same time influencing people that are working with you in our organization.
Being a Sentosa service champion means I can get to help others. I can help them solve their problems like their ways around the island, and also creating memories for them.
One Sentosa community spirit helps a lot. It creates a network, community, and teamwork.
Allows us to communicate smoothly and also pass down information efficiently.
We can help one another, how to make the guests feel happy and have a very pleasant experience in Sentosa.
And in general, it helped us to be united as one Sentosa and one service champion.
I hope you understand the show values SHOW as we bring to life the One Sentosa mindset together.
One Sentosa.